companies that will pay you to download their apps and use them. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you such companies that all you would need to do to make money with them would be to just download their apps and you start making money. You all know that this is online cash craft, and on this platform all we talk about is how you can make money online. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you some apps that you can download on your phone and make money. So if today is your very first time of coming across my page, like I said, this is online cash craft, you are welcome. And if you've been here before and you decided to come back and watch my video, thank you so very much. I appreciate your time. So stick around with me, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you different apps that you can use to make money online. Now the very first app I'll be talking about is an app that is called repocket.co. What they do is you download their app, sign up to the platform, and your data, your internet data that you don't finish at the end of the month. Like so many people, they have internet data and at the end they do not finish the data that their online provider, internet provider had given them. So what do the internet providers do? They actually take them back and give it back to you. There are businesses out there that can use those internet data, very secure way of making money. Nothing will be compromised. Yeah, so those businesses uses your leftover data that you are sharing, your internet data you're sharing, and you get paid. So this is what I'm going to show you in this step-by-step tutorial of how to use repocket.co. So go to Google and type in repocket.co. That's what this platform is, and you can see it turn your unused internet into cash. So what this platform basically is your unused data, your unused internet, you will be paid for sharing it. It says join over 1 million users earning daily by sharing their unused bandwidth. It's simple, secure, and profitable. Now the good thing about this is when you sign up, you get $5 straight as a bonus, right? So this is good. And then not only will you get $5 bonus when you sign up, if you refer someone, there's what is called a referral program for this platform. Now when you refer someone, you have money that they're going to be paying you for life. Like as long as that person remains on their platform, you will be paid. Okay, so Repocket is an amazing platform. It is a platform that so many people had earned a lot of money using this very platform. You can see they've been featured in so many platforms: Bloomberg, TechCrunch, Forbes, and there's so many others. Now, how do you get started? It's simple to start using Repocket. As you can see, now the way you start is you simply sign up, like I said, to this platform. Now you create an account. Okay, when you create an account, you will now create an account in less than a minute. Unlock the potential for earnings, register your account, and step into the home dashboard, your gateway to financial empowerment with Repocket. This is very simple to start, very simple to create an account. In less than a few minutes, you are done. And not only that, you get $5 straight into your wallet the moment you are signed up. Now install on one or more devices. If you have one device or more, it's up to you. You can install the Repocket in there. All right, remember this is an app that you would have to download on your device, and then you start earning by sharing your internet. There are so many times that you have your internet and at the end of the month you don't even use half of it. Trust me, you don't even use half of it. And if you don't use half of it, your network provider takes the internet back and just like they repurpose it, they give it back to you coming month. So instead of you giving it back to them, why don't you share it and make money out of it? It's as simple as that, right? Because your network provider will take the internet. They're not going to pay you for giving them back that internet or for them taking it back. But when you share that internet, and let me quickly say here that this is secure, very secure. So don't think about, oh, when I share my internet, I'm going to be exposed. No, there's no such thing. It is a very secure website. Now I say, watch your earnings grow. Sit back and observe as your earnings flourish when you share. Okay? So you are secured. There is nothing like being exposed because you shared your internet. No. So just go ahead and share your internet and make money, guys. Share your internet and make money. This is how it works, and you get paid by PayPal or Wise. It's simple. There are some countries that they don't get access to PayPal, but they have Wise. So that means you can basically do this anywhere you are. They have this in over 150 countries of the world now. Because your internet should be working as hard as you do, right? That's why you should download this app and start making money. It says effortless earnings. Just sit back, relax, and watch your unused bandwidth turn into cash. It's simple. Your spare internet capacity helps trusted businesses and you get paid. Maximize your earnings while limit your potential. Install a pocket on multiple devices to amplify your earnings, right? Privacy. See what I said? Your privacy isn't an option, it's a priority. We use bank-grade encryption technology to make sure everything always runs smoothly. This is their promise. Now you can invite your friends and earn a percentage of their lifetime earnings. It's win-win and helps platform. Everyone. Now, this is interesting part of this. 1 million plus Repocket users. Guys, is this not huge? 10K plus business partners, 150 plus available countries, 4 million plus earned by users in 5 years, over $4 million to their terms and service and privacy policy. Then you click on sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you click on where it says log in, and then you log into the platform. Guys, you can see that this is a very simple platform. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be notified. Do not also forget to give me a thumbs up for this video, that is a like. Now, moving forward, I'm going to show you the second app that you can download to make money online. So another platform I'm going to show you that you can use to make money online is a platform that is called freecash.com. Don't forget that all the platforms I'm mentioning, I'm going to link them in the description below so that you just click and access the platforms. Now, how does freecash work? Freecash, they have different ways that you can use them to earn money on the platform. You can partake in surveys, complete online tasks, you can watch videos and earn money. Now, let me quickly say that for you to earn a lot of money with this platform, you have to maximize your time. You have to make sure that you concentrate on the tasks that pay a lot more money, because all the tasks do not pay the same amount of money. So concentrate on the ones that pay higher, that the payout is higher than the low ones. That way you'll be making a lot of money using free cash. You can also earn money with free cash by what is called referral program. Referral program is the process whereby you refer a friend and they pay you some money. And you can also earn by watching videos and playing video games on the platform. Having said that, I'm going to take you straight to their platform and show you how this works. Okay guys, so this is freecash.com. Just go to your Google and type it in, get paid for testing apps, games and surveys. This is what this platform is all about. Earn up to, you can see it there. So you earn a lot of money by using this particular app. All right, so earn up to $159.25 per offer. 2,479 available offers, right? Okay guys, so this is freecash.com. Just go to your Google and type it in, get paid for testing apps, games and surveys. This is what this platform is all about. Earn up to, you can see it there. So you earn a lot of money by using this particular app. All right, dollars per offer. 2,479 available offers right now, right? So this is how this platform is. And yeah, what you need to do is you sign up for free, as you can see there, and win up to $250 in the free case. Earn money using this platform. So this is one of them, where you earn up to $250. So how do you go about this? You just add your email address to sign up. Yeah. So click on where it says start earning now. You add email address, create a password. You click on I agree to the terms and service. You can start earning now. You sign up with Steam or sign up with your account. And this is a 4.5 star by Trustpilot they have given them. So this platform is very, very trusted. Now, average time until user makes first cash out is 17 minutes, 16 seconds only. Right? Now, average money earned by users just yesterday, $25.37. Now, total dollar earned on free cash, 108 million plus. So this platform, you can see that it is good. Now, how do you do it? What you need to do, you choose an offer, take your pick from the tasks on the earn page. They list the best offers from companies who want to advertise their apps, services and products, right? So this is if you want to earn free cash within minutes. This is just what you need to do, the steps you need to take. Now, step number 2, you complete the offer. Now, when you complete the offer, most offers are very simple and have already earned money for thousands of people. Most offers take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So this is not time consuming. Now, the very third one is you get paid, right? For each task you complete, you'll be rewarded with coins. 1,000 coins is $1. Cash out the coins and get your hands on your free cash. So is this simple? Very, very simple. Very simple. So these are the best ways to earn. You earn by you play games, the very first one, and you complete offers. You can earn by completing offers. You can earn by joining surveys. Now, when you play games, you earn per app between 50 cents to $120. You can see, in order to attract more players, gaming companies want to pay you to play their games, right? So So in order to earn by completing offers, you earn between $1 to $75 per app. Now, to join surveys, you earn $1 and you earn per 5 to 10 minutes survey. So obviously, you can do all three and make money. Yeah, you can do all three and make a lot of money. This is how people are making it. So we are the number one site to make money. Here's why, right? So this is a trusted site. They have the highest payout, instant cash out, right? And they have daily bonuses. So this is not something that need experience to do. You don't really need that. All you need is you have your gadgets. You are able to download the app. Then you follow these 3 simple steps that I have shown you now, and you start earning. It is that simple. Very simple. There are testimonials of people who are making a lot of money on this app. A lot. Many people are earning a lot of money on this particular app. So at this point, if you click where it says earn on your left hand side, if you click the place that says earn, you can see on top there, right? When you click on it, you can see up there, that's people and how much they have actually earned and the different methods they have earned. If you click on start offer, you can see that one is $186 point. There are some that are $15. There are some that are $14. There are even the game of the one at the end there. It says $259 you earn when you complete that game. Okay, you can also go to offers and click on offers. You can select all offers. They have 88 offers in total. Now, if you want to play game, they have 57, then others 17. You can also click on surveys and you do surveys. Now, they say they have cleared the survey board. Yes, I've done a lot of surveys with them. Okay, they say you've completed all the surveys we have for you right now. More surveys might be available through our survey partners below. Okay, so you can see I don't have no more surveys to complete. Now, how do you cash out? Just click on cash out on your left. It says use your earned coins on freecash.com to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon. Okay, so this cash out, you can cash out via all of these payment methods, even Visa, even Bitcoin, even with Apple Pay, Amazon, and Uber Eats, and so many other methods that you can cash out with. So everyone's talking about free cash. Yes, that is true, right? Right, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I must say thank you so very much for sticking around with me. You might want to watch the next video up there. Let me know what you think. Please leave your comment. I appreciate your time, and I wish to see you in my next video. Thank you.